To the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually go ahead and make money from Opera News Hub. Opera News Hub has been existing for about 3 years now, and people have been making money from it just by writing content. Alright, so you can actually write content on Opera News Hub and make tons of money for yourself. So right now, as you can see, actually, this is my account, and you can see the total estimated revenue I've made right here on this account. As you can see, it's right here. So you can see right here, and this is this month's earnings right now, alright, which is very small, I know, right? So I'm going to show you how you can actually go ahead and register Opera News Hub. To do that, you need to select your location. Once you visit the website hub.opera.com, you click on the location, the country right here, then you select your country depending on the country you're actually in. So if you're from Nigeria, select Nigeria or South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, then Kenya and Egypt. So these are the 5 eligible countries that can go ahead and write articles on Opera News Hub. So currently, as you can see right here, my own is set to South Africa. So as you can see right here, once depending on the country you're actually in, so you click on login, and you're going to be provided with 2 methods, which is Facebook or Google. You can actually go ahead and log in with you can sign up with your Google account, which is very easy, and from there you'll be able to go ahead and complete all the required steps to get into the Opera News Hub. Alright, so that's it. And yes, if you ask me to do Opera, how can you make money from Opera News Hub? Like I said, you make money from Opera News Hub by writing content on Opera News Hub. So if you come right here, you can see the amount of published content I have on my Opera News Hub account, about 428 published content, and you can see the followers, people who actually follow you on Opera News when they like your content. And you can see I'm actually following about 2 people. This is liked, and that's all. So if you come down to trending topics, if you take part in trending topics, you're actually going to earn more money. Yes, you earn more money. And another amazing thing is Opera, or the Opera team, they launch different challenge that people can take part in. So you can see another July, this is June challenge, this is May challenge. So you can see people are taking part in different challenge, and when you take part in all this challenge, you're going to get income for yourself, right? You're going to make more money for yourself, right? So if you create your account, you have to connect your account. You connect your account details, so your account details will be available on this account section right here. You connect it, and I'll put my referral link in the comment section, so you can go ahead and use my referral link, right? Then comment to this create a section here. You're going to put your title. You put your title right here. Let's say how to make money. You put your title right here. Then this content section is where you can actually go ahead and write your content, and you can see we have the H1, H2, we have bold, we have image, we have link, we have video, we have clear, undo, and redo. So if you scroll down here, you can see the number. You can see your thumbs. This is thumbnail. We can put a single thumbnail and a triple thumbnail depending on what you want. So I prefer you make use of just one single thumbnail. Then you can add other pictures inside your article. Then for topic is going to be something. See topic more like a category. So if your article is related to tech, you put tech. If your article is related to tech, you put tech. If it's related to make money, you put make money. If related to finance, you put finance. If related to anything, you put it there. All right, so that's it, straightforward. And you can see the amount of words and characters you've written so far on your content. So once you write, as you can see, my characters is increasing. If I put a space and put that's another word, right? So you can see it's going to increase, and you can draft. You can save this and come back and complete it, maybe, or you can write an article now and maybe publish it later or something like that. You can draft it down, then publish it later. All right. So once you publish an article, it's going to be on this section. It's going to be on the content library section. This is the content library section. As you can see right there, I just have about 3 recent articles that have been rejected, and you can see other articles. You can see the amount of impressions I got. You can see the amount of clicks I got, which shows you that you can actually make money. All you just have to do is write your article. Once you write the article on Opera News Hub, Opera News is going to do the remaining work for you, which is promoting those articles on the Opera News platform and making sure you get to earn money, right? Everybody's going to earn money on the platform, but another way for you to stand out and make more money on the platform is by you making sure you write articles that are well optimized, write articles that people want to read, write engaging articles. Writing a clickbait content or writing content using ChatGPT will not be accepted on this platform. All right, so you want to try as much as possible to avoid that. So I think that's pretty much it, guys, concerning how you can actually make money on Opera News Hub, and I've explained how you can actually register and write articles, and I gave you a little tips concerning what you should do and what you should not do on this platform, which involves making sure you don't make use of ChatGPT to generate content. Using that is going to get your account banned, and you don't want to do that. And you can see right here on this trending topics, you can also take part in trending topics. Like I said, taking part in trending topics will help you get more income. All right, so because topics that are trending are going to bring more views, and more views, more money for yourself. All right, that's it. So I think that's it, guys, for this video. If you actually enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and see you in another video.